I am making this video to show you a few different Craigslist methods that you can actually implement to start getting leads and sales in your Motor Club of America business. Alright, so you're going to want to watch this video until the end so you can get full understanding of how each one of these methods work. I'm not going to be posting any ads. I'm just going to show you a demonstration of what ads you can post and what to say when people reply to you, okay? So I just posted this ad right here. It's going to be going live here shortly. And you're going to want to go to whatever city you're in, whether it's paid or not. You can actually do this method without paying $25. Go to Denver, like if you're in Colorado. I went to Denver, I went to gigs, and I went to computer gigs. And then I made a simple post like this, okay? Looking to hire 5 computer-friendly people today, Denver, all right? Compensation, $500 a week, part-time, $1,000 a week, full-time. And then a professional looking ad. There's no images in here. There's no links. I said, attention, local Denver computer marketing firm looking to hire 3 to 5 computer friendly people starting today. No experience needed. Must be 18 years or older. Have basic computer skills. Must have reliable internet access and must be willing to learn new skills. No commuting needed. Full training and support provided. Paid weekly every Friday. Average reps earn $400 to $800 per week. Please contact me now by replying to this ad or call, and then I give them my 1-800 number. If it's going to show, there it is, bam, my 1-800 number, which you guys can call and demo that out. But anyway, hurry, positions will fill fast, all right? So I'm creating a sense of urgency for these people to actually get to me and respond, either by replying, by hitting this, and then copying that and sending me an email, or simply giving me a call, all right? So that's one way you can go about doing it. And then here's another one. I got a lot of good, response. New Year special. This was 5 days ago. Today is the 5th, so I posted this on the 30th or 31st. New Year special, Samsung Galaxy S5 must sell ASAP. $275, Boulder. Now there's a lot of people, trying to sell their phones on Craigslist. So I went to the for sale section, cell phones, and I went ahead and posted this. Hey guys, I have to sell my new Samsung Galaxy S5 to help cover rent for next month. This is a first come, first serve sell, and it must go today. I'm selling my baby for $275, which is beyond fair and stupid. It's not stolen. I have proof. No worries there. Just need to get the money today. Please reply. As you see today, I capitalized, once again, creating that sense of urgency. Please reply to this email ASAP to let me know if you're interested. Must have $275 cash on hand. No lowballing. Thanks. Why do I say this right here? Because basically I want people that actually have at least $200 in their pocket right now, ready to spend on a stupid cell phone. Well, I'm not going to say stupid because everybody needs some type of form of communication. But yeah, now I know whoever replies to this ad has $275, which Motor Club of America is only $40. All right. So I'm going to show you the reply that I sent to these people. And you're gonna, get to know, what I said to them and how I'm generating leads. Now here's another one, big move. This one got deleted for some reason. I'm not really sure why. It was flagged. That's why somebody flagged this ad. Somebody hating. But anyway, Boulder gigs, labor gigs. Okay, big move. Needed. Need help. 3 to 5 guys. Boulder. Hey, how's it going? My fiance and I are moving to the home of our dreams, and we're looking for 3 to 5 strong men to help us relocate. I have a large-sized U-Haul truck that we need assistance loading our 3 bedrooms, kitchen, living room, and basement, and unloading it to the new house. We're willing to buy your lunch and provide transportation if needed. Drop me an email by clicking the reply button at the top of this ad, and it will go straight to my phone as soon as you do. I'm only looking for 3 to 5 good candidates that are reliable, so please act fast. Once again, creating that sense of urgency. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to hearing from you. Take care. All right. So once again, I'm looking for people to reply so it goes straight to my email. All right. And then here's your typical, customer service and entry level sales position. All right. Customer service position available. $750 weekly. City, Colorado Springs. Now hiring in your area. No experience needed. We provide paid training. Immediate advancement opportunities are available. We represent a unique online business franchise in the local area. We're looking for partners to help expand business in your city. Compensation, $750 weekly plus bonuses. Telecommuting okay. Must be 18 years or older. No phone calls. No selling. No, not business to business. Please apply at the link below. Now let me go ahead and show you what this link looks like. Okay. Bam. It looks like an application. I'm not sending them to a capture page. This is a capture page. Little do they know. But this is actually a form that I made inside of my GetResponse account. And I named it Sales and Customer Service Application. Name, phone number, email. How soon can you start? Availability. Do you have sales experience? Do you have a computer with internet access? Are you willing to learn new skills? What's your monthly income goal? Are you willing to do what it takes? Submit application. Thank you for your interest in our sales customer service position. This looks like a professional application. People don't know that once they fill this out, they're going to be redirected to my Weebly page, which looks something like this. Alright, bam, Motor Club of America, welcome to the 4080 Club, and then they get more information, more proof, and they're able to get signed up. Alright, so that's what I did for that ad, and also these entry-level marketing positions, sales and customer service. Boulder, Fort Collins, Colorado Springs. You want to post in different sections. I posted this in customer service, I posted this in marketing and advertising, and I posted this in sales. This one was in labor gigs, this one was in cell phone by owner, and this one is in computer gigs. Now you want to post 1 to 3 ads per day in different categories in different cities. Alright, and you just want to go ahead and follow up with the people that send you a reply. So let me go ahead and show you some of the, let's see, big move. Alright, see, these are all people who replied to the big move ad. Okay? These are people that I replied to. Alright? And then let's go to Samsung. See, these are people that are replying to my ad. Okay, all of these are targeted leads. And let's just go to 750 weekly. Wait, what was that? See, bam, look, these are people who replied to my different, customer service and sales customer service ads. So this method works, guys. Hopefully you understand that this is a powerful method. Let me go ahead and show you some of the replies that I sent to them. Oops. Yeah, come on. Excuse my daughter in the background. She's trying to get in the bathroom while my fiance is using the shower. But alright, creating moving ads and gigs, blah blah blah. Subject, help huge moving job. Reply, hi, I just want to say thank you for your interest in helping me and my fiance move. I got swarmed with responses and actually found 3 guys to help complete the job. Yesterday I ended up paying each of them an even $100 for about 4 hours of work. Since you inquired about helping me, I figured you may still need some extra income or money. So I would like to share with you what it is I do, so I can help you out as much as I possibly can. I'm a young father of 4, making a living for myself and my family without having to punch a time clock at a job. just over broke. And I was once in your shoes looking for some extra income on Craigslist, which really sucks. Now I want to help you get on track to earning anywhere from $400 to $1,200 plus per week, paid every Friday, doing what I do, which is crazy simple. Motor Club of America is always looking for new agents to help expand their product into new areas. There's no experience needed, full training provided, and over $150,000 in benefits from travel, dental, and auto coverage. Please review the website I've created for you at the 4080club.com. Let me go ahead and just put that there. To ensure that I'm here to help you. My contact info is found at the bottom of the website. If you have any further questions, take care. Hope to hear from you soon. That's what I sent to the people. And then it's something like this. You can pause the video right now. This is for the people who, reply to the Samsung or the sold ad, okay, for sale ad. Let me go ahead and fix that. Oh, my baby. Okay. I gotta go get my daughter some medicine here soon, so pause the video. And copy that. Alright? You can do iPhones, PS4, Samsung Galaxy, MacBook Pro, whatever you feel you want to post for sale. And in the resume section, I forgot to show you this. You can actually take this message as well, copy this, okay? And then when you're on Craigslist, come over to the resume section right here. Search sales. Okay, and just look for, telemarketing professional. Bam. Open this up. Okay, right there. There's another one. Telemarketing wanted. Work from home position. Bam. That is targeted than a mother. Okay, see there, look. Doesn't involve sales. Well, you might not be the best one for it, but I'm still going to send you some information. Alright, so what you would do is simply come over here, and you only want to reply to about 5 to 10 of these per day, so Craigslist doesn't block you, but that's it. You're just going to copy that email address, and then come to your email account and send her a reply with this message. We reviewed your resume on Craigslist. Bam. All of that. Change out my name with yours. And that's it, man. Alright, so hopefully you guys got some value out of this. Please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. I will be updating my channel with more updates on my progress with Motor Club of America and also more free training. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and take care.